Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in the Caribbean and a neighbor to the United States, Cuba and Haiti. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Bahamas, Bahamas, Muz. Feel the little weight on mid-syllable. Bahamas. So, when we put it all together, it's pronounced as Bahamas. The Bahamas is rich in natural beauty. With crystal clear waters, white sandy beaches, and vibrant marine life, it's a popular tourist destination known for its luxurious resorts and outdoor activities like snorkeling and diving. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about the Bahamas, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.